PolyGEL, I like to say that basically it's a combination of acrylic and gels. And what I mean by that is taking all the great things that you like about acrylics, the great things you like about a hard gel, and pushing them together. PolyGEL is a game changer. We have complete control as a technician. We determine when we want to stop working with the product and when we want to cure it. Curing through an LED light in 30 seconds, pretty amazing. The benefits of PolyGEL are all there, and they're all there in the tube. No ratio, so I don't have to worry about mixing a liquid and a powder together. And when I squeeze the tube, I slice and roll, I put it onto the nail, I don't have to worry about it moving around at all, which is great. Also too, the benefit of my customers, when I apply it on them, they're feeling a lighter product, which is, I think, fantastic. And just think, we can do this all in an environment without any odor. I look at our nail industry as one big family. So what we need to do as manufacturers, come out with products that make sense for everybody. Something that's a better experience for us, a better product to use, and also a better experience for our customers. You know what, this is just a product that I feel that is something that we've always wanted in the industry, and now we have it in PolyGEL.